Everyone, welcome back to Can Coffee here with an Isomac espresso machine, and this was brought in because it was leaking from the steam wand and the espresso wasn't coming out very well, they said. So there was something wrong with the pressure gauge, and the OPV valve, which is the overpressure valve, wasn't regulating the pressure accurately or correctly, and so the pressure wasn't correct for the shot, which was resulting in the poor shot that the user was experiencing. So we replaced the steam valve right in here, and that stopped the leak. And then we also descaled the pressure gauge to get that function again, and also deep cleaned the overpressure valve inside, and re-lubricated and replaced the gaskets. And now it's holding pressure appropriately and functioning just fine. So we're gonna pull a shot. Alright, look at that, we're holding at about 10, 8 and 10 is what we're looking for, and shot looks good, not thin or watery at all, and its pace seems appropriate. Alright, we're just going to go ahead and stop there. And now we are going to do some steam, so we'll flip this switch on, let it build up some pressure, and then we'll open the valve. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open the valve, and it's going to purge water that's in the wand first, and then steam the follow. Yeah. That's pretty average steam for this kind of machine. If we close the wand and let it build a little more pressure, then the steam will be more powerful. If we just give it a little time.
Cool. Everything else is based on that. So we'll just go fuck ourselves.
Alright. So now that we gave it a little time, the steam is much more powerful. And that's the trick. So we'll turn it off. Close the wand, and there you have it. Isomac working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Can Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.